Struggling with an overwhelming inbox? Let's dive into Inbox Zero, your ultimate guide to decluttering emails and boosting productivity. Inbox Zero isn't just about having an empty inbox. It's about managing emails so they don't manage you. It's clarity, control, and peace of mind. A cluttered inbox can steal your focus and time. Inbox Zero helps you reclaim control, reduce stress, and free up mental energy for what matters most. Do any of these sound familiar? Hundreds of unread emails, missing important messages, feeling dread every time you hear a notification? It's time for a change. When you reach Inbox Zero, you'll enjoy reduced stress, better time management, and laser-sharp focus. It's a total game changer. Before we start, let's set the stage. Reflect on your email habits. Are there tools you could use to stay organized, like folders, filters, or apps? Step 1. Clean it up. Archive old emails, delete junk, and unsubscribe from things you don't read. Think of it as spring cleaning for your inbox. Now, set up a system. Create folders and labels that make sense for you, like work, personal, and bills. Filters can help automate sorting, saving you loads of time. Next, build good habits. Follow the 2-minute rule. Handle quick emails right away. And schedule email time instead of checking constantly. You'll thank yourself. Daily routines are key. At the end of each day, tidy up your inbox. Weekly reviews help refine your system, and when there's a surge of emails, tackle it methodically. We all hit roadblocks. For long email threads, summarize key points in replies, keep work and personal accounts separate. And remember, it's okay to set boundaries. Don't do it all alone. Use tech to your advantage. Tools like Boomerang, filters, and automated replies can take the heavy lifting off your plate. Reaching Inbox Zero feels amazing. Enjoy the clarity and time you've earned. Plus, you're setting yourself up for long-term productivity. Remember, Inbox Zero isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Start small, automate where you can, and build habits that stick. Ready to transform your email game? Start decluttering today and experience the productivity boost of Inbox Zero. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your Inbox Zero tips.